was Malcolm X? Malcolm Little, who adopted the name Malcolm X after joining the Nation of Islam and in an effort to eliminate his family's slave name, was one of the most influential civil rights activists of the 20th century. Malcolm's father, a priest, was murdered by white supremacists when Malcolm was only the age of 6. This tragedy ignited Malcolm's passion for Black empowerment. After dropping out of school in 8th grade, Malcolm turned to a life of petty crime when, at the age of 20, he was sentenced to 10 years in prison. Here he was introduced to the teachings of Islam and the philosophies of Elijah Muhammad, the founder of the Black nationalist organization Nation of Islam. After Malcolm was released from prison in 1952, he became the public face of the organization for 12 years, advocating Black empowerment and separation of Black and white Americans. Contrary to other civil rights activists like Martin Luther King Jr., Malcolm was not an advocate for peaceful protest, but believed that Black Americans needed to achieve equality through any means necessary. Through his years of leadership, Malcolm began to see corruption within the Nation of Islam, which caused him to eventually denounce the organization. In 1964, he embarked on a spiritual journey to Mecca, where he had a personal transformation and changed his name to Malik El-Shabazz. He returned to America and founded the Organization of Afro-American Unity, fighting against racism through more collaborative and peaceful initiative. In 1965, at a rally in New York City, Malcolm was assassinated by 3 gunmen presumed to be members of the Nation of Islam. After his death, Malcolm's teachings were reinvigorated and used to found several civil rights groups, including the Black Panther Party. And that is who Malcolm X was, in about a minute.